Wagwan people, boy oh boy guys, there's a be mad people on social media and I be mad people on social media, And them people take this thing for joke thing, I'm talking about Lorraine guys, because Lorraine did a live couple hours ago, talking about say she want to take her to court. And I'm saying which normal person in their mind would I want somebody to take him to court. You see me? I mean I say yo that woman is sick in her head guys. So like and share, rock and comment people. I'm gonna talk about this. Guys, this lady named Lorraine, for the past couple of years, she lived on that name on a consistent basis. She have done a picture of her profile of her page. You see me? She have memory of Dana and all kind of things. I must say if this is not obsession, I do not know what is obsession. That lady hate the woman so much. Talk about the woman so much. You see me? I mean I say to myself, say, come on man. Can a normal human being obsessed with somebody so much? Can a normal human being get up every day and talk about somebody so much? The other day I go up on her page and I say she have ads. So I say to myself, say, hold on the man. For all this years, she have called Dana name and thing. See now, she finally eat food out of Dana. I mean I say to myself, say, this lady has done so many wrongs on social media. I mean I say to myself, say, this lady is very sick in her head. Mad sick, head no good. A mad woman this. She not have no sense. How can you spend so much time of your life and not talk about Dana and the woman the America? You are the same on your page said Dana will never come to America. And now Dana the America, you can't believe it. You go up on vacation and before you did it, you circle yourself and go and make some money and go and enjoy your life. You see me? You go up on live, gonna talk about Dana. I'm saying to myself, say, boy, oh boy, why them big crusty back woman here spend so much time and I talk about Planka boss and I make Planka boss rich and rich up on a daily basis. You see me? I mean I say, yo, them woman here not have nothing at all for do. All them do is just social media out them life. I mean I say, yo, them not have a 9 to 5 for do. Them not have nothing at all to do. Them not have a husband for take care of. Them not have no grand pitney. Them just step on them lives and talk about Dana so much. Where them get from this? What is the purpose of this? You really gonna sue you. And that the faith understand you take this thing for joke thing. I mean I say to myself, say, boy, yo boy, how can one woman be so fool? So she come out there and I say she da record Dana. You see me? I mean I say to myself, say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Mad people is on the rise. Mental illness is serious thing. Lorraine is a real mad woman. Lorraine is somebody who need attention. You see me? She seek attention and she crave for attention. And in my opinion, I just feel say, if I never for Dana, we would never hear about Lorraine. Because Dana have done so many goods is that them can't believe it. Them can't believe them eyes. So Dana are reach on a level right now. Them can't believe nothing at all. You see me? I may say to myself, say, look at this now. If Dana never elevate herself, would she be amongst them? No, I don't think so. Because Dana part of the right set of person them. Dana have the right set of people them where help her positively and motivate her. So what I say now, people, is that in a life you have to give and take and you have to forgive people. But as a Lord, there's no forgiveness there. So she have passed her boundary, she passed her place, and she have done so many wrongs on social media. She have done so many damages, you see me, to Dana business and every little thing at all that Dana has put her foot into. Every little thing at all Dana do, she investigate it. You see me? And she have this to say and that to say. If Dana help somebody, Lord unite. Lord investigate and find out what go on. You see me? You see me? But me I say, yo, people, enough is enough. Enough is enough. And it does tell me say, yo, the obsession on social media is tremendously high for Dana. You hate the woman so much. And yet still you find so much time to talk about the lady. Why not stay so? Why not stay so? Why not stay so on social media? You never have a husband to take care of. You see me? You never have a husband to take care of. You never have a family. You see me? You just depend your life and live after the woman content and I talk about the lady. You have so many things over there for the woman. You know, like when you grow up and you're obsessed with somebody, you have them picture, you have everything at all for them in your room. That's all the level of obsession regarding Lorraine and Dana. She obsessed with the woman so much. It's a shame. You see me? And she understands saying now when Dana said she was swear, she's not playing, she's not laughing with her. So Lorraine takes the joke thing. You see me? And maybe she feels that she's in America. So she feels that it won't be a problem, it won't be an issue. It won't be an issue. You see me? But make she think twice. Make she think twice and think. Something is coming. You see me? Because the woman never travel you. Are you travel the woman? Are you live on the woman name? Are you do this and do that and thing? And when things are reaching now, you can't believe it. You can't believe your eyes. You cause this for yourself. You do all this. So people, when somebody say, when could know say, yo, that woman is crazy obsessed with the lady. And, you know, she not stop. She got harder to a different level, to a different heights. You see me? What is the purpose? What is the reason of you doing them things over the years? You see me? What the benefit? What you gain from doing all these things? You see me? And one thing come to my mind is that she don't want to be like Dana. You see me? She bring jealousy and bring feelings towards certain things. Is it that she bring feelings towards us, towards somebody who doesn't ever help? You see me? Or a family member who doesn't ever help and thing. And up to this day, she still carry the revenge in her heart. She still can't believe her. She ain't done that usual power and you know, done about so big before her. But you know, as a typical Jamaican bad mind person, you know, from the ghetto, you can want bad mind them and say, no, I me the day first and thing. You see me? I remember Laura is from Waterhouse, Dana is from Mountain View. So you see the big, even though I ghetto, you see the distance between each other. You see me? So, I don't know. But when people hear about suing nowadays, it's almost like them take this thing for joke thing. You see me? But I tell you guys, it not gonna be normal. It not gonna be normal, and you know we can't go feel sorry for you because in idea you get warning and you keep on the same thing over and over. You still carry the woman scam, you still say she involved in all kind of activity. You still investigate the charity, and you still do what you mustn't do. You see me? I mean, I say, what is the purpose of you doing all them things here? What is the purpose of you doing all these things and keep on repeat yourself over and over so people can believe and feel like it's true? You see me? And the more you do it, is the more person will join on and Dana for no reason at all. Dana is not perfect. Dana is not God. Dana is not an angel. You see me? Dana do make mistakes. But at the end of the day still, Dana show more good than bad than when you guys do on social media. Everything that the woman don't investigate it. We don't want to know where this money coming from, who it come for, what the purpose. See me? We don't want receipts, we don't want everything. All the woman say our charity transparent. We don't still want to know everything that our go on. You and your crew them investigate and find out what go on. And what the funny thing about this thing, I think after you and T-Girl and the rest of them split out, I feel say you that have more sense and decide say yo, enough is enough. But I guess I get worse now. You see me? But like I get worse on one thing now. When I get worse treatment from the court system, make sure say in a ball. You see me? Come better than done right here already. So yet it's never a joke thing. Oh God, who feels it knows it. I can say one send out without the woman alone. But you're not gonna stop because you enjoy doing it. And you feel so we as vloggers, we are get paid by Dana and we don't know where I say. So basically we have different Dana and I talk about things about Dana and we don't know, and you basically tell we say in your opinion say we don't know what Dana go on with and thing and they're quiet. But you don't know where you're going with upstairs because he's a mad woman walking on 2 foot. See me? But I could leave you alone here now, people. Guys, big up on yourself and thanks to those who like the video. Thanks to those who leave their thought in the comment section, people. You know it's been a joy having you as usual, people. Good night. Want to stay tuned and just keep it real, people. You see me? We can't be like Lorraine a mad woman, people. If I put you one side, mad people, all the mad people, guys. Best upon yourself.